Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable AutoLock on the SafePal app. AutoLock can help add an extra layer of security by automatically locking the app after a selected period of inactivity. First, open the SafePal app on your phone. Once the app is open, go to Settings. Now tap on Security to open the security settings. Here, look for the AutoLock option and tap on it. You'll now see different time options for the automatic lock, such as 1 minute, 5 minutes, 30 minutes, and 1 hour. Choose the time that works best for you. For example, if you select 1 minute, SafePal will automatically lock after the selected period of inactivity. After selecting your preferred time, SafePal will ask you to enter your security password to confirm the change. Enter your password correctly and complete the confirmation. Once the password is accepted, AutoLock will be enabled with the time you selected. This means that when the app remains inactive for the selected period, it will automatically lock and require authentication again when you return. You can also come back to the same security AutoLock setting anytime if you want to change the lock duration. And that's it. Now you know how to enable AutoLock on SafePal and choose the lock time that suits you. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more SafePal tutorials, crypto guides, and tech tips.